Okay, so let's begin. Back with another video about our trading journey. I am trading with Mint funding and we're on a 25K account. Currently with the Profit Retriever we have reached $101 net using the XAU gold. Two different scenarios where the XAU Profit Retriever has profited over $47. And right now it's trading at one lot and a .01 lot, uh, ranging from $7 to $8 in profit. So we're slowing down with the Profit Retriever because what we want to do is trade manually. This current trade I have here is GBPCHF. We're in a buy for about 182 pips. The second trade is a possible buy at 157.573 with the euro instead and the euro USD. Buy limits at 1.096. If you can see, this zone here for the euro USD is channeling. We're looking to create buy limits and go up to 1.118 for the euro US 4 hour. Okay, so my max lot should be around 0.2 with a stop loss of 60 pips and a TP of 180 pips per trade. Okay, if we can risk $150 per trade and with a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, should be able to stay under the Mint funding parameters, which is $1,000 gross loss per day, and in due time complete the funding and generate 10% of the account profit. Let's show you that example here with an account balance on babypips.com of 25,000, risking 2% and a stop loss of 60 pips on the euro US. Our standard lot greatest size should be 0.8 with an amount of risk of 500. Okay, so my lot size is about a quarter of 0.8. So I'm trading less than 1% risk, less than $250 USD risk to start. So as long as we stay within those parameters, those 3 pairs, and I might add another one, but those 3 to 4 pairs trading for the week until we pass the funding should do well. Lastly, I wanted to tell you where I'm getting these trades from. This is the super sexy I love my charts.com. So I'm trading it at a support and resistance uh, and a trend line trade strategy. Okay, so we're staying in trend. We may do some reversals, but we're going to trade from support to resistance and back resistance to support. Usually on the 4 hour, on the 4 hour time frame, they take about 55 candles. You can see here that the channel line is telling me that I have 160 pips from where we are now to the top of this channel. So that's right there at 151. to where they say 160. Okay, so to reach 160, we can say that generally there will be 34 candles from where we are now to 160, give or take, average daily range. So that's, I forget how many candles. 4 by 6 is 24. That's a day. 24 candles on 6 4-hour candles a day. So we can say that 32 candles. Oh my gosh, how do you do that math? Should be around a day and a half. Okay, so point is we want to maximize our profits and decrease our risk. So if we can get in and get out during the day, then we shouldn't have too long of a time before we finish this test. Okay, and again, that's 10% gain on the account of 25,000. We'll update you again. We'll update everyone sometime soon when our trades are entered and completed. See you next time.